Okay, I'm a little hungry, so I put a lot of rice in today. Hi, this is your girl Phoebe. Welcome to our channel. We're Krazy Thursday, and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. If you had to choose between fried rice and regular rice, what would you choose? Yeah, that's right. Fried rice is always the answer. Today we're gonna cook up some very simple egg fried rice with a Korean kick to it, so stay tuned for that. Okay, let's get straight to the agenda and let's talk about the ingredients. You will need cold rice. Mine is half brown, half white. Doesn't matter, you can do any rice of your choice. 2 eggs because it's egg fried rice. Spring onions. If you don't like spring onions, you can always replace it with garlic. If you don't like garlic, just do it out. And we need a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Some oil for frying. I don't recommend extra virgin olive oil because it has low flash point, which means that it's not suitable for frying. Okay, we're all set and let's start cooking. Okay, we're gonna cut the spring onion in half. We're gonna cut them. You can put in as much spring onion as you like, but I like my spring onions, so I'm gonna go a little crazy with it. Now you're gonna bring your rice. You're gonna put 2 eggs in them. And now you're gonna mix the eggs into the rice before you fry it. This is gonna make the eggs mix into the rice evenly, easier to cook, and so much better to taste. You know that it's ready when the egg yolk is evenly mixed with the rice. Okay, we're all set. We're gonna set this aside for now. Okay, now we're gonna turn the heat to medium-high. Put our oil. Be pretty generous with it because we actually do have to semi-caramelize the spring onions so that it brings maximum flavor to our fried rice. While we wait for that, maybe I'm gonna add a little bit more of the spring onions here because who doesn't want more spring onions? So at first you'll feel that there's more oil, but the spring onion is gonna absorb all of it. Some corners of the spring onions are turning brown, so now I'm going to add my rice. This is so much easier because we've mixed the egg into the rice beforehand, so we don't have to worry about the eggs crushing into one corner or being mushy while other end of the rice there's no egg in it. We're gonna add our salt and pepper. This is pink Himalayan salt that my uncle got me from India. Some people actually like to put soy sauce in it, but soy sauce also has its taste and fragrance of its own, so when I want to keep things simple, I don't add soy sauce. Salt and pepper is good enough for me. Okay, I'm a little hungry, so I put a lot of rice in today. I have to be careful so that these guys don't fly out of the pan. Oh, and if you want to make egg fried rice with fresh rice, you might want to leave it outside for about 30 minutes to 1 hour because freshly cooked rice has a lot of water in it. And if there's too much water, it means that it's gonna get sticky, which is not suitable for frying. So that's one tip that I might want to give to you. Now, as you can see, the eggs are starting to turn brown. So I think we're ready. Okay, this is our final product, And wait, I'm gonna add my little source of Korean kick to it. This is sesame seeds. Koreans love to spread this, sprinkle this on their food because this is a good source of fiber and protein, and most of all, it has some cute decorative purposes. I just sealed the deal right now. This is the final product. I'm gonna go and enjoy this bowl of goodness with some milk tea right here. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and mostly don't forget to try it out yourself and tell me how it went in the comments below. Okay, see you soon. This was Phoebe from Krazy Thursday. Bye.